Put the steel plate. Open the software and input the pattern. Quickly copy multiple copies of the pattern. Select all patterns and reset coordinates to 0. Ungroup all patterns. Select a single pattern and add combinations. Select each pattern individually and fill the interior. Quality controls processing times and depth. Processing 2 microns once, processing 10 microns 5 times. Select all patterns to process. The workbench returns to the 0 coordinate point. At this time, check whether it is in the upper left corner. The corners are aligned with the steel plate. Click to return to processing point. Use autofocus after checking the machining position. Press the on button to autofocus. Start processing. After processing one steel plate, it automatically moves to the next one. It takes only 20 minutes to process the steel plates with one machine. 10 microns dip takes just 5 minutes per plate.